Pero minsan kailangan mo din talaga na maglaan ng oras para sa sarili mo. Hindi yun pagiging selfish. It's self-love. Yung sabi nga nila na, how can you love someone if you don't even love yourself? What's the sheep say? That's right.
What?
Hatid natin si Aliyah sa nursery. She's ready to go. Nursery siya today.
A few moments later.
Tayo dito sa bahay. Na-drop off ko na si Aliyah, girl. Ngayon, for mommy naman tayo. I-walk natin si Lady.
A few moments later.
Hello! Family, dito tayo ngayon naglalakad. Kasama si Lady. Ayun yung aking fur baby, oh. Oh, ayan. So, walang katao-tao. Kasi nga, today is Wednesday. Ano ba to? Yung mic ko. Ayan, sumalo kayo. Ayan, today is Wednesday, wala akong pasok. So, naka-annual leave ako. And na-drop off ko na rin si Aliyah sa kanyang nursery. Ayan, so, mag-walking muna tayo. Halika na. It's good for the soul. Ang pagwo-walk. Ito yung aming route every time. We go for a walk. Malapit dito sa aming bahay. Come on, lady! Ayan. Dapat pala pag ganito tayo maglakad kasi against the light kayo. Pero anyway, let's go. Ayan. So, update lang. Life update. Pa-spring na. Kaya maganda na yung mga araw ngayon. Sun is coming out. We get blue skies. Also, we get the clouds. Pero malamig pa rin. Tingnan nyo, naka-jacket ako. Malamig pa rin. Ayan. So, hindi ako ready. Dapat pala, nag-ready ako ng sasabihin ko, no? Ano ba? Update. Life update. Wala normal lang. Life update, ano ba? Do wala akong pasok, si Aliyah ay pumunta pa rin sa nursery. Because, yun nga, maglilinis ako ng bahay namin. Like, deep clean talaga. But, ayun, hindi mo maiiwasan sa akin yung I feel guilty na na dapat inaalagaan ko siya kasi wala akong pasok, ganun, 'di ba? I feel guilty about it. But you know what? Sometimes kailangan natin yung break to do what we have to do. So, nire-remind ko yung sarili ko na minsan kailangan mo din ng time for yourself. It's not for being selfish, but for you to recharge, 'di ba? and for you to be able to do what is essential, what is needed to be done. Then, so that magkaroon ng magandang harmony sa bahay. So, hindi mo maiiwasan sa isang ina na you feel guilty about it. Na, to do what you have to do. Kunyari, kailangan mong mag-me time. Kasi importante sa atin na mag-recharge and magkaroon tayo ng oras para sa sarili natin kasi most of our time ginugugol natin sa kanila, sa ating family. And sabi ko, hindi mo maiiwasan talaga na you feel guilty na hindi mo alagaan yung anak mo kahit may oras ka. Pero minsan kailangan mo din talaga na maglaan ng oras para sa sarili mo kung may chance ka, because it's so important sa isang tao na i-fill mo yung glass mo so that you can give something to others. Kung empty ang iyong glass, 'di ba? What can you offer to the people around you at least, no? Kung drain na drain ka. So, importante na if you are a mom, if whatever your role in life is, no? Importante yung maghanap ka ng oras to recharge. Hindi yung puro ka nagbibigay. Hindi yun pagiging selfish. It's self-love. Yung sabi nga nila na, how can you love someone if you don't even love yourself? Diba? So, gawin mo yung nakakapagpasaya sa'yo. Manood ka ng sine. Don't feel guilty. Ako, this week, I feel guilty na sana I just keep Aliyah at home. I look after her. Pero actually, masaya si Aliyah sa nursery. Because doon, nade-develop yung skills niya, nakapaglaro siya with other kids. And then, when she comes home, I make sure that she gets all my attention. Hindi divided ang attention niya. And then, I give her quality time. Ayan. Like now, me and Aliyah, Lady, nagka-quality time kami ni Lady. So, ito. Ayan. Okay, Lady? What's the matter? You saw a dog? Ayan. So this time, I'm filling up the empty space of my glass. No, I like the walk. Ang ganda ng panahon. Hindi super lamig. May sun. I can feel it in my skin. And then, I get to walk my dog. Na yung aso ko ay minsan napapabayaan. Kasi, yun nga, yung time is hindi enough for everyone. So, ako bilang household maker or housemaker, I feel like kailangan kong linisan yung bahay namin na I have to make it in a good form. Na maglinis. Yun yung goal ko this week talaga, to clean the house, like in every corner of it. Kasi yun nga, may mga most of my time I give it to Aliyah. So yeah, yun yung message ko this week for the moms out there or for anyone who's watching our vlog na wag kang ma-feel guilty if you sometimes have a break for yourself. And you don't have to explain to anyone actually. Wag mong i-feel na, wag mong isipin na hindi mo deserve yan. Kasi who else will look after you? Eddie! So actually, itong aso ko ay talagang simula nung nagkaroon kami ng baby, talagang nabawasan yung attention na binibigay namin sa kanya. Minsan, napapabayaan namin siya, minsan hindi namin siya nawubok, minsan gawa din ng weather dito sa UK na pagkapangit-pangit na minsan umuulan, mahangin. Do you wanna come up here? Come and sit next to mom. So, na-excite ako kasi it's going to be good weather soon. So, mas madalas na kaming go outdoors pag weekends. Tapos matatapos na din yung football league ni Andy. Meaning, pag Saturdays, we're free and do what we wanna do. Ganon. So, may mga na-book. Hindi naman na-book, pero na-plan na ako na gagawin namin this season. Spring and summer. Ayan. Okay, are you ready to go? Yeah, alika na. Alright, let's go. Another walk pa. Medyo halfway na kami. Let's go and see the cherry blossoms there, oh. Yan, may mga lumalabas na bulaklak. Pakita ko sa inyo. I think ang weather ngayon, ang temperature is around 11 degrees. 10, 11, ganun. Pero mahangin. As you can see, oh. Oh, ayan. Hangin. Sinisipon din ako. Ang galing. Nilagyan nila ng daffodil. Ito yung, cherry blossom tree. Pag nakita mo na ang cherry blossom, March pa lang ngayon lumabas na sila. Tsaka yung yellow na flowers na yan. We call that daffodils. Ayan. Yan. Yung mga yan, pag lumabas na sila, spring na. Yan, springtime. Ay. Yeah, spring. Yan, yung flowers na yan. So, ito yung cherry blossom tree. Ang ganda. Pink. 4 sila dito. Nagkumpul-kumpul sila. Ayan. Ang ganda dito. Ang tahimik. Very peaceful. Okay, lady? Flowers. What's that? It's a sheep. It's a sheep. What's the sheep say? That's right. Ba, ba, ba. Yeah, that's a river. Yeah. There. There. Yeah, there. There's a cow. Where's the frog? Can we find the frog? Alea? What's the frog say? What's the frog say? Ribbit? 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 Alea. Next. Up and down. Up and down. And up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Where's your eyes? Can you show Mommy? Where's your eyes? Where's your eyes? Where's your head? Where's your head? Do you want to wear your shoes? This one na lang. Here, this one. Do you want to wear your bunny?
Ready, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Troll!
1, 2, 3. Okay, should we go for a bath now? Should we go have a bath? Okay, let's go.
And I'll cook.